1954 Oldsmobile 98 Deluxe Starfire convertible. I believe in 1954 this is the most expensive Oldsmobile that you could have purchased. It would have come with the hydraulic controls for windows, seat, top. Now this one, as you can see, the windows are up. The driver's window will still work and go up and down. Other three do not function as well. Consigner, sell it the way it is, reflect it in the price. So we're representing what you see is what you get. Rocket 324, V8 underneath the hood. Let's take a look at this front bright work. Grill, headlight surrounds, hood ornament, of course, a lot of polished and a lot of chrome on these back in 54. This vehicle will come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. That is included in the purchase price. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out all the still pictures. You'll see the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk, wheel covers, wide white wall radials. Take a look down the passenger side. You can see paint shows well on this one. It's a nice shine to it. Kind of the ivory and light blue combination. Take a look at the bright work down the passenger side. White convertible, top power. That is functioning. We're going to put that up at the end of the video. Let's check that out too. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. Oldsmobile 98. This does have the Deluxe on the cowl tag with the style number. So it's going to tell you it is a Deluxe. See fender skirts here. I notice it looks like the tabs, there should be a couple tabs in the wheel wells. So I've not had those put on, but the fender skirts will go with it, as well as the parade boot. You can also check those out up close in the still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com. Another thing, if you cannot get here to see this one, like to have somebody take a peek at it for you, report back, maybe time constraints or distance, can't make it yourself. Third-party inspectors always welcome here at Unique, especially in classics. See dual exhaust in the rear for that 324 Rocket V8. As we take a look up and down the driver's side, again, bright work looks good. Free of any major nicks, stings, or scratches. Looks like it had the rear view mirror one spot at a time. No longer there. Let's take a little closer look at this interior. Black and white vinyl combination. Door panels, black carpeting. See there's some wear in the bottom of the seat. Stock looking dash set. Let's go ahead and look at the chrome in this. Like I said, this was Oldsmobile's high end and pretty rare car. You don't see a lot of these around. Let's go ahead and fire up Rocket V8. Second meters coming up. Oil pressure. That was a cold start, so I wouldn't expect the temp gauge to be up. I did have the wipers work, albeit they are vacuum yet. Did not get the radio to power up. Looks like original radio there. Runs good, sounds good. Get an idea how it sounds. Slip up to the front. Let's get this hood open. Check out that engine bay and wrap this video up. I think I can get this one one-handed here. Let's see. Maybe not. I'm going to have to pause this. It's going to be a little tough to get it one-handed. Hold on. We'll get that hood open and check it out. All right. Made it a little easier when I grabbed in the right spot. There it is. That Rocket V8. That's paired up with an automatic transmission, of course. 324 cubic inches. As far as the hood latch, pull on this side, not this side. There you go. Let's check out that convertible top and wrap up this video. And here we go with the top up. Nice tight fit above the windshield. White vinyl. Are a couple small wear areas right along the edge. You see those two. Nothing that's gonna stop it from keeping you out of a little pop-up garden variety shower, or keep you out of the sun if you need to. And hey, how many times do you have this convertible top up when you're driving this beauty? Around to the passenger side. So free of any major holes, rips, tears, some wear around the edges on the driver's side. There you go. 1954 Oldsmobile Starfire convertible. Remember, it's going to come with that 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. May be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And you can call in at 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out all the still pictures. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1954 Oldsmobile Starfire. Our turn signal indicators are working. This is a convertible, and we do have the top down. Our fuel gauge is working, showing about 1/4 of a tank. Oil pressure is showing about 45. The amps are up high on the gauge towards 25. Temperature gauge may have moved a little. It's down in the cold area. Do function. Very smooth ride from this car. Soft suspension for that luxury ride. Radio does not power up. Now that we're straight here, if I let go of the wheel, it stays pretty straight in the lane. Yeah, alignment seems good. This is an automatic on the column. Our brakes are working well. Corners as a 54 Oldsmobile should. Nice quiet ride. Factory looking bench seats. You don't see very many Oldsmobiles in this year. It's a very nice example. Take a look at all the pictures that you